Welcome to RosieCentral Holiday Gift Reveal number 4. I'm Kendra Bonnet, and I don't know about you, but I'm getting into the holiday spirit. Lots of orders came in today, and one in particular stands out, an order for our fabric Suffrage doll ornaments. I thought you might like to watch me make them. The figures, Nanny Helen Burroughs and Victoria Claflin Woodhull, were actual suffragists in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. After doing extensive research, Matilda and I hired an artist to create these original illustrations. With art in hand, the magic can begin as we turn these women into ornaments. We start by printing them on transfer paper, then cutting them out using a Cricut cutting machine. From here on out, I'm going to speed up the video footage so you can see the steps without getting bogged down in the process. It takes me about 25 minutes to make 2 ornaments. Carefully, I peel the figures from the backing sheet. Select my fabric, position the figures, and use a heat press to fuse the artwork to the fabric. I cut the fabric down to a manageable size, remembering to cut a similarly sized blank piece for the back of the figures. Then separate the 2 suffrage women. Because these are historical figures, and because the ornaments are handcrafted, we have some information that goes on the back of each doll. Oops! I need to get the right name with the right doll. Once the text is trimmed, I position it and touch briefly with a small heat press to set the position. Then, without the front artwork in place, which could be damaged by additional heat, I can now apply enough heat until everything is well fused to the fabric. And when cool, I remove the backing paper. We're ready to sew and assemble the dolls. The first thing I need to do is add the ribbon loop used to hang each ornament. Then I sew around the outside of the figure, and I repeat the process for the second doll. Now I follow the outline and cut out the ornament with pinking shears. This way the fabric won't unravel and our suffrage ornaments will last for many years. This is pretty easy, but I do have to be careful not to cut off the ribbon loop in the process. And now my favorite part. I stuff each ornament with non-allergenic polyfill. Then back to the sewing machine to close off the foot of the figure. Finally, I finished trimming the fabric with pinking shears once again. And we're done! 2 suffrage ornaments ready for hanging on the tree, or in this case, ready for packing in their gift box. Careful now, I don't want to forget to include the little brochures filled with information about Nanny Burroughs and Victoria Woodhull. And just for fun, I include one of our gold Votes for Women pins. To make it special, I've added blue, white, and gold ribbons. I close the box and seal with our label. If you like historical or feminist ornaments, Nanny Helen Burroughs and Victoria Claflin Woodhull make a great addition to your tree. You can order on either Etsy or Amazon, and I've included links in the description as well as on my Rosie Central blog post. Christmas is coming, so until our next reveal, I'm Kendra Bonnet from Matilda Butler and myself, owners of Rosie Central. Thank you for joining me.